Are you currently having the problem that you're not able to follow people on TikTok on your iPhone? Well, then you have come to the perfect video because I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide how I was able to fix this problem basically myself. So what I did was that I went into my TikTok app and then I went into my profile right here, as you can see. Now what you're going to do, if you're on your profile right here, you should be able to locate the three lines in the top right corner, right? So click on the three lines in the top right corner, because then you should get all of these options right here. Now what you're going to do is to click on settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy, because then it should take you to this page right here, which is perfect. Now what you're going to do on this page is to just simply scroll down in here until you can see where it says report a problem, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on report a problem, just going to load here for us, and perfect. As you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here. So what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down in here all the way down until you can see where it says submit a report. So click on submit a report. It's just going to load, and perfect. Now you should be taken here. So actually I had the exact same problem myself, as I said before, and I wrote exactly like this now to the TikTok support, and after that it worked for me. So you're going to write like this. Just a second. I am having problems with not being able to follow someone on my TikTok account. Please fix this. So basically you don't need to really like write anything else rather than this. I'm having problems with not being able to follow someone on my TikTok account. Please fix this. You can just basically copy this exact like script that I just showed you right here, and then also don't forget to click on submit, of course. And what you're going to do after this is to wait about 24 to maybe 48 hours. For me, it worked like just in a couple of hours, but I think sometimes you have to wait like 24 to 48 hours for the TikTok support to actually see this. And hopefully after they have seen this, then what will happen is that they will basically help you to fix this problem, because they're the only ones that can help you to fix this. So you need to write like this, wait, and hopefully after that, this problem will be solved for you.